Our water leaf, we're going to cut and wash instead of washing and cutting. We'll just roughly chop it. And we'll also repeat the same step for our ugu. Our ugu is already getting old. We'll just transfer it to our bowl. Hopefully it all fits. So to my okpei, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of hot water. This is to help it dissolve. Just give it a stir. Allow it to sit for about 5 minutes in the hot water and then you just dissolve it. For the onion, we're going to chop it into reasonably sized. And we're going to transfer this to the bowl. So we're going to chop our peppers as well. They are so beautiful colors. Make sure you wash your hands with soap water after doing this. And that's all our prepping done. So in a clean pot, cast iron, we're using. We're going to add a vegetable oil, extra virgin olive oil to the pot. We allow this to heat up for about 2 to 3 minutes. So to this we're going to add our onions. I'll let us heat it up a little bit. I will give it a stir. We'll allow this to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. To this we're going to add our fresh pepper, scotch bonnet. Stir this up. Cook on medium heat. We're also going to add our crushed okpei, fermented lotus beans. Just give this a stir. Add our crayfish, 2 teaspoons of salt, stir. To this we're going to add water leaf, stir it as well. You can reduce the heat to low. We're just gonna stir fry this for about 1 to 2 minutes, then we'll add our spinach. Add our spinach to the mix. Stir fry. Stir it in to mix it together. And we're going to add this to simmer for about 2 minutes. I'm going to add my ugu to mix. Gently fold them together. Still on the low heat. Cover and allow it to steam for 3 to 5 minutes. So it's been steaming for about 5 minutes now. And our sauce is ready. We're going to taste for salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir this. I will just let the salt sink into our vegetable sauce and serve.